Welcome to TeamBoard for Monday.com, Tutorial 7. In our last session, we explored how to track members' time using time logs and timesheets. Today, we'll discover how to manage tasks from multiple boards in a dashboard. Ready? Let's jump right in. Dashboards in Monday.com are powerful tools. They allow you to bring together data from multiple boards, making it easy to manage and visualize your team's workload in one place. To create a new dashboard within a workspace, click plus below the name of the workspace and select New Dashboard. Let's connect your boards. Start by clicking the button in the top left corner of your dashboard. This button shows how many boards are currently connected. A window will open, giving you a list of connected boards. Use the search bar to find additional boards or tick off recently used boards to add them. Once you've made your selections, click Done and move on to the next step. Add TeamBoard to the dashboard. Go to the Widget section of your dashboard, select Apps, then search for TeamBoard. Click to add it to your dashboard. Once the app is added, don't forget to set up the mapping fields for each of your boards. This step ensures your data syncs properly across all boards. Need help setting it up? Check out Tutorial 1 in the description below. After setting it up, all the tasks you've planned across your connected boards will be displayed here in the dashboard. Even if a team member has tasks spread across multiple boards, you'll see everything in one place. Managing workloads has never been easier. Thanks for watching TeamBoard for Monday.com Tutorial 7. See you next time.